So, today we're gonna cook egg. First, get the egg. And now, we're gonna put the toad in the egg. Yes. Then we're putting in the pan. It's okay. Okay guys, so that one is onion. Yes. Tumatalsik. Uy. What you're going to do? Onion. Oh. Dropped. Ellie's gonna put the egg. Yeah. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a shell. There's a shell. Wait. Look at this. Wait. There's a shell. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna get the shell with the spoon. Got the shell. Get it. No. Bro. I'll put here. The shell. There's a shell. There you go. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So remember guys to put a bit of salt so it won't be salty. Just put enough salt so it won't be salty and there will be flavor.
Okay.
We got our first egg. Yeah.